Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today in your 5th standard, today let us study about only fractions. In the fractions, the reducing fractions to the lowest terms. Dear student, in your previous class, you learn about only basic concept of fractions, the definition of fractions, examples of fractions, and also types of fractions are here. And also you learn about only equivalent fractions also. Okay. Today we learn about only reducing to the fractions in the lowest terms in the. Okay, some examples to reduce the lowest term. First one example number 1, reduce 24 by 36 to the lowest terms. Okay. The question is what? Reduce 24 by 36 to the lowest term. The given fraction is solution. Therefore, given fraction is what? 24 by 36 is the. Dear students, you can reduce the any fractions. There are two methods are here. One is direct method. The direct method is very easy. Therefore, 24 is divided 36 is the. You can cancellation. 24 and 36 is divisible by 2 is the. Therefore, 2 ones are 2 twos are. And also 36 also divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2 eights are. This equivalent fraction is what? Remaining is 12 by 18 is the. This is not reducing form. Next. 12 by 18 also reducing is the. Therefore, again 12 and 18 is divisible by 2 is the. Therefore, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are. The next fraction is what? 6 by 9 is the. Therefore, again 6 by 9 is also reducing is the. 6 and 9s are divisible by 2. No, 2 is not divisible. You can take 3. Therefore, 6 and 9s are divisible by 3. Therefore, 3 2s are 3 3s are. Therefore, the answer is 2 by 3 is the reducing form. This is your answer. 2 by 3 is this 24 by 36 reducing form. Or otherwise, another method is what? By the HCF of the given two numbers. By HCF. By HCF method. Why that is HCF method? Therefore, you can take the numerator and denominator HCF. Numerator is 24, denominator is 36. You can take the HCF of these two numbers. HCF. How you can find out the HCF? You can take the smallest number 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Again 2 ones are 2 eights are. Again these two numbers are divisible by 2. 2 6 are. 2 9s are. Again next 3 twos are. 3 3s are. Therefore, the HCF is HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 2 to the 4. 4 3s are 4. LCM is 12 is the. Therefore, you can find out the reduced form of 24 by 36. Therefore, 24 by 36 is equal to this reducing form is these two numbers are divisible by 12. That is LCM. 24 divides 12. Divides 36 divides 12. Therefore, this simplification 12 twos are. Next 12 threes are. Answer is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 same is the. You can choose any one method. You can reduce form of the any fractions by the direct method or otherwise HCF method. You can choose any one method. You can reduce the fractions. Next one example. Therefore, second one is also only reduce 24 by 18 to the lowest term. This fraction is improper fraction. This one is what? Proper is that. You can reduce the this fractions. Solution is very easy. Solution. Therefore, given fraction is what? 24 divides 18 is the. You can take directly method or otherwise HCF method. Direct method is very easy. Therefore, 24 divides 18 is the. These two numbers are divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 12 is the. Therefore, remains what? 12 by 9 is the. Again, 12 by 9 is divisible by 3 is the. 3 3s are 3 4s are. Therefore, answer is 4 by 3 is the. This simplest form of 24 by 18 is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 or otherwise, this is improper fraction. You can convert it in the mixed fractions. 3 1s are 3. 1 as it is 1 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. This is your answer. Or otherwise, by the HCF. HCF method is what? HCF method. You can take the HCF of 24 and 18. Therefore, 2 12s are, 2 9s are, 3 4s are, 3 3s are. HCF is what? HCF equal to 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6 is the. Therefore, the number is what? 24 divides 18 is equal to 24 divides 6 divides 18 by 6. Therefore, 6 4s are, 6 3s are, 1 integer 1 by 3. This is your answer. You can choose any one, direct method or HCF method. Last one example. Example number 3. Reduce 15 by 24 to the lowest term. Therefore, you can do this one. Last question. The fraction is what? 15 by 24 is equal to. You can take direct method. 15 and 24 is divisible by any one number. 2 is not divisible. 3 is divisible. 3 5s are, 3 8s are. Therefore, the answer is 5 by 8 is simplest form. Only simplest form is what? 5 by 8. That is over. Next one, you can practice more example in your reducing to fractions in your exercise. The next concept is what? Next concept is in your fractions. Comparison of fractions are here. Comparing means you can compare fractions, one fraction to another fractions. The which fraction is more and less is the. Example number 1. First example in your comparison. First one is compare. Compare 7 by 12 and 5 by 12. And also example number 3. 2. Compare 5 by 9 and 5 by 3. Next example number 3. Example number 3, compare 3 by 11 and 4 by 7, comparing only fractions. Okay, listen here. Some questions are here. You can only comparison. The given fractions are 7 by 12 is there and also 5 by 12 is there. In this question, 5 by 9, 5 by 3. In this one, 3 by 11, 4 by 7. Dear student, these three questions are different. In the first one is first method is the. Second example, second method is the. Third method is the. Okay, what is the method of first one? What is second one? Third one. In the first one, we can compare. And also you can compare between these two questions. In the first one, denominator is same is the. Same denominator. In the second one, same numerator. In third one, the all numerator and denominators are different. Therefore, in the first question, solution is very easy. The first method in our comparison, when the denominators are same, you can compare only numerator. Which numerator is bigger? That is bigger. Therefore, denominators are same is the. Denominators are same. Therefore, 7 is more than 5. Therefore, 7 by 12 is more than 5 by 12 in first method. Namage denominator same iddaga numerator dalli yava sankhye dodiruttalla ade namaga greatest. Got it? The next second one, in the second method, again compare 5 by 9, 5 by 3. In first method, denominators are same. In the second method, numerators are same is the same numerator. Okay. In this second method, solution is also very easy. This is reverse order. Reverse order is what? When numerators are same, you can compare only in the denominator. In the denominator is which denominator is smaller, that is bigger. 9 denominator is there. This is 3 denominator is there. 3 bigger. This is 3 is bigger. Therefore, in a numerator or denominator, 9 and 3. Therefore, 3 is more than 9. Therefore, our answer is what? 5 by 3 is more than 5 by 9. This is your answer. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is your second method. What about next one? Third example, compare these two fractions, but in numerators are different, denominators are different. How you can do this example? Solution. This is also very easy. Is that you can take by the LCM method. By LCM method, you can take the LCM of these two. 11 and 7. 11 and 7 LCM is what? You can take directly 11 and 7 LCM. 11 on the 11, 7 on the 7 on the 7. Therefore, 11 7s are 77 is that. Therefore, LCM is what? 3 by comparison between. And also, you can take HCF is what? Sorry, LCM. LCM is equal to 77 is that. LCM is 77. You can compare in these two fractions. You can make denominators are same. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 11 ಐತಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 7 ಐತಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. You can take the SF is 77. Therefore, first 3 by 11 is that into multiplication. 11 7s are 77. Denominator is 11 is that you can multiply 7 by 7. 3 7s are 21. In denominator 11 7s are 77. These two are equal is that. Again 7 cancel, no problem. Right is the next. Second one is what? Second fraction is 4 by 7 is that. You can multiplication again. 7 11s are 77. 11 multiplication 11. Therefore 4 11s are 44 by 77. Therefore, these two fractions we can make this line. Same denominator. Denominator same is there, na? In the first method, same denominator. You can compare only numerator. Which numerator is bigger? That is bigger. Therefore, in the numerator, 21 and 44. 44 is more than 21. Therefore, these two comparison, 44 by 77 is more than 21 by 77. 44 by 77, this fraction is what? 4 by 7. Therefore, 4 by 7 is more than 3 by 11. This is your answer. Hence, by the LCM is the, sorry, LCM is the, you LCM to cut now with the compare ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Got it? The next some questions are here. Next one example in your comparison by the mixed fraction is the, one example is mixed fraction is the, check yourself once again. Therefore, example number 4. Example number 4. Compare 3 integer 2 by 5 and 3 integer 1 by 3 is the. Therefore, these two fractions are mixed fractions is there. You can compare it in fractions in mixed fractions. Therefore, solution. You can convert it mixed fraction into improper fractions. First one is what? 3 integer 2 by 5 is the. You can convert it mixed to improper. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17 by 5. And also this one. 3 integer 1 by 3 is what? This mixed fraction to improper. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10 by 3. Got it? Therefore, given fractions are what? 17 by 5 and 10 by 3. These two fractions we can compare in. These two are same as it is. Next, you can take the LCM of 5 and 3. Directly is the, these two are prime numbers are here. 5 3 is 15 is the LCM. Therefore, 17 by 5 into 3 by 3. This is 73s are 3 7 21 51. 51 by 5 3s are 15. Next, second one. Second number is what? 10 by 3 is the, you can into multiplication 5 by 5. Therefore, 5 tens are 50 divides 15. Therefore, you can compare in these two numbers. Same denominator, same denominator, same denominator. Same this method, you can compare in these two numbers. Denominator is same, denominator is same. Therefore, you can compare 51 is more than 50. Therefore, 51 bar 15 is more than 50 bar 15. Therefore, this number is what? 51 by 15 is what? That is 17 by 5. 17 by 5 more than 10 by 3. And also, therefore, 17 by 5 means what? 17 by 5 means that is 3 integer 2 by 3. 3 integer 2 by 5 more than 3 integer 1 by 3 is more. This is your solution. Got it? These like questions are here. And also, the last question is that in your comparison, only ascending order and also descending order is there. You can do in your ascending order or otherwise descending order in the fractions. One example is that, check out one example in your last one. Arrange, example number 5. Arrange 3 by 8, 2 by 3, 7 by 12 and 11 by 16 in ascending order. Ascending order. Do it. Last one example. Okay. Dear students, the question is only you can write in ascending order. Ascending order is what? A numbers write in smallest number to biggest number. That is ascending order. The numbers are in the fractions are here. Write fractions in the ascending order also. Okay. You know about comparison of fractions. Which number is more, which number is less. Okay. First of all, in this question, how many fractions are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 fractions are here. You can take 4 denominator LCM. Therefore, solution LCM of denominators. 8 is denominator, 3 is also denominator. Next, 12 is the last one, 16 is the. You can take the LCM of all denominators. First of all, you can take smallest number 2. 2 4s are 3 as it is. 3 is not divided by 2. Next, 2 6 are 12. 2 8s are 16. Next, again you can take smallest number 2 again. Therefore, 2 2s are 4. 3 as it is. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are. Again you can take 2. 2 1s are. 3 as it is. 3 as it is. 2 2s are. Again you can take 2 also. Therefore, 1 1s are. 3 as it is. 3 as it is. 2 1s are. The last you can take 3. 1s are. 1s are. 1s are. 1. Got it? Therefore, LCM is equal to the product of prime numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 times into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Therefore, the LCM is what? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 4s are 48. 48 is our LCM. Got it? The next one is what? LCM is over. Next you can take comparing all fractions. The first fraction is what? 3 by 8 is there. You can take all fractions. You can make the all denominators the same. Therefore, first one is what? 3 by 8 is there. You can into the our LCM is 48 is there. 8 6 by 6 is there. 6 by 6 because 3 6 18 divides 8 6 48 is there na? 48. In second number is what? 2 by 3 is there. 2 by 3 is there. Therefore, 2 by 3 into the LCM is 48. Therefore, you can take 16 by 16. Therefore, 16 2s are 32 divides 16 3s are 48. Second number is over. What about third one? Third one is what? 7 by 12 is the into multiplication. 12 4s are 12 4s are 4 by 4. 7 4s are 28 divides 4 7s are 4 12 4s are 48 is same as it is. What about last number? 11 by 16 is the 11 by 16 into 3 by 3. Therefore, 11 3s are 33 divides 16 3s are 48 is the. Dear students, the given all four fractions in different denominators are here. You can compare same denominator, same is the 48 is there. Therefore, now you can compare. Therefore, in the numerator, 18 is there, 32 is there, 28 is there, 33 is there. The all denominators are same. When the denominators are same, you can comparing only numerators. The which one is smallest? First one is 18 is there. The next one is what? 28 is there. The next one is what? 32 is the last 33 is the. Therefore, in the only numerators. Okay. Next you can write in your fractions. Therefore, ascending order 18 by 48. Next 28 by 48. The next 32 by 48. The last 33 by 48. This is your ascending order. But same denominator is there. Next you can take the choose number. 18 by 48 is what? Where is 18 by 48? This number is 3 by 8. Therefore, 3 by 8. The next one, 28 is the, where is 28? Here 28. This is 7 by 12. 7 by 12. What about next? 32. This is 32 is the, this fraction is what? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is there. The last one is what? 11 by 16. 11 by, which one is? 11 by 16 is there. Therefore, this is your ascending order. Ascending order. You can write also, no problem, in your descending order also. This is your most important question in your competitive exam also. This is also 3 or 2 marks question in your 7th class, 5th class, 6th class also, no problem. Okay. The next concept is in your fractions. Okay. In your fractions, next concept is only addition of fractions. In your addition of fractions, the first one is what? In the addition also, addition of like fractions, addition of unlike fractions. The like fractions are only denominators are same denominator, that is like fractions. But unlike are all denominators are different. Therefore, addition of all these two. Therefore, first one is what? 5 by 21 plus, yeah, the sign is plus, 12 by 10 by 21. These two addition. When the denominators are same, therefore direct addition is not necessary. 21. Next 5 plus 10, therefore 5 plus 10 is what? 15 is the 15 by 21. This is your answer, or otherwise 15 by 21 is also right answer, but otherwise simplification also no problem. Simplification is what? 3 7s are 3 5s are. Therefore, that reducing form is what? 5 by 7. 5 by 7. What about next one? Again, second example. Addition is the at 5 by 14, 7 by 14, 1 by 14. Again, same denominator is the. Therefore, again add these two numbers. 5 by 14 plus 7 by 14 plus 1 by 14. Same denominator is the. Not necessary about LCM. Same as it is 14 is LCM. Therefore, 5 plus 7 plus 1. Therefore, 5 plus 11. 5 plus 7 is what? 12 is the. 12 plus 1 is 13 is the. 13 by 14 is your answer. 13 by 14 is your answer. This is only addition of. These two examples are only by the like fractions. Next, third example. Solution. Third question is in the unlike fractions area. Unlike means the denominator is different. You can take the LCM of denominator. LCM of the denominator means 12 is the and also 9 is the. You can take the LCM. Therefore, 3 4s are 3 3s are. That is LCM. Next, 3 as it is 4 4 on the. Therefore, the LCM is what? LCM is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. 36 is your LCM. 36 is your LCM. Therefore, 1 by 12 plus 5 by 9 is equal to 12 and 9. LCM is what? 36 is that. 36 you can write 36. 36. Next 12. 12 3s are 36. 9. 9 4s are 36. You can multiply this line numerators. The next 3 1s are 3 plus is the next 5 4s are 20. Therefore, in the numerator 3 plus 20 is 23 divides 36. Therefore, 23 is prime number. This is not divisible. Therefore, answer is only 23 by 36. Got it? What about next one? In the fourth example, again the all denominators are same. Different is the you can take the LCM of the denominator. 7, 7, 5. LCM. The all our fractions are here. 5 ones are 7 as it is, 7 as it is. Therefore, 7 ones are 7 7. Therefore, LCM is what? LCM is equal to 5 7s are 35. 35 is LCM. Therefore, the addition of all these 3 by 5 plus 6 by 7 plus 2 by 7 is equal to the LCM of all these number is what? LCM is 35. The next 5 7s are 35 and multiplication 7s are 7 5s are again 7 5s. Got it? Next, therefore 3 7s are 21 plus 6 5s are 30 plus 2 5s are 10 is equal to. Therefore, sum of all these numbers 21 plus 30 plus 10. 21 plus 30 is 51. 51 plus 10 is 61 divides 35. Therefore, this answer is over. 61 by 35. This is over. This is improper. You can reduce in the mixed fraction also. Therefore, mixed fraction is the 35 to the 70 is the therefore 35 ones are 35. Remaining is what? Therefore 35. 61 minus 35 is what? Therefore 11 minus 5 is 6 is the therefore 2 is 26 is the. Therefore 1 integer 26 by 35 is your answer. Got it? This is your answer. Last one example. Okay. Therefore, last one is same as it is addition. These two are mixed fractions are here. Therefore, solution 4 integer 3 by 4 plus 1 integer 2 by 5 is there. Therefore, you can compare mixed fraction to improper fractions. 4 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 is what? 19 is the 19 by 4 plus again 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7 by 5 is the. Therefore, next only two numbers are here. You can take LCM directly. 5 4s are 20. The next cross multiplication. 19 into 5 plus 4 into 7. Therefore, 19 5s are 5 9s are 45. 95 is the. Therefore, 95 plus 7 4s are 28. Divides 20 is the. Therefore, these two addition. 28 plus 13 123 is the 123 divides 20 is the 123 divides 20 is your answer, or otherwise you can write in your mixed fractions. 20 means 20 tens are what? 100. 25 are 26 are 26 integer 3 by 20 because 26 are 120. 120 plus 3 is 123. Right? This is your answer. Okay. The next question is very easy. The next question is the word example that is applicable is the word example is what? Mohini has a red ribbon. The length is 4 integer 1 by 5 meter is the, and also he is purchased green ribbon also. Green ribbon length is 3 integer 1 by 5 meter. What is the length of two ribbon? What is the total length? Therefore, solution is you can write once again. Therefore, length of red ribbon, length of red ribbon ribbon is equal to how much is that? Therefore 4 integer 1 by 5 meter is that. Therefore what is this improper fractions? Therefore 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 by 5 meter. What about next? Length of second one, green. Length of green ribbon. Green ribbon is equal to how much is that? That length is 3 integer 1 by 2 is that. 3 integer 1 by 2 meter. Therefore this improper 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2 is the. This is your answer. Therefore total length is equal to the sum of these two. First one is 21 by 5 meter plus 7 by 2 meter. These two LCM. The LCM is 5 2s are 10. Directly LCM is 10 is the. Therefore 5 2s are 2 5s are. Therefore 21 2s are 42 plus 7 5s are 35 meter is the. Therefore is equal to 42 plus 32. 35 is what? 77. 77 by 10 meter is there. Got it? You can write in your mixed fraction also. Therefore 10 sevens are 7 integer 7 by 10 meter is the total. Got it? Dear students, these are concepts in your fractions. You can practice in your homework. Your homework is comparison of fractions and also reduction fractions and also addition of fractions are here. Practice more in your example homework. I shall continue next class.